नमस्कार दोस्तों, नॉलेज सेंटर कंप्यूटर में आपका स्वागत है। इफ यू आर इन यूजर ऑन माय चैनल, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल फर्स्ट and click on the bell icon to receive the notification first. In this video we are discussing an important topic, that is copying and moving. Both are looks like similar commands, but there are lots of differences between these copying and moving. So start with this. What is copying and what is moving? As you can see, copying and moving both are commands are very helpful in computer. And as you can see, moving data and files and copying data and files. First, moving data and files, whether it is a block of text in your word processor or a folder on your hard drive, transfer something wholesale from one point to another. It means in moving commands, if we are moving data files and some text from one location to another, it point only one location. In copying data, copying a file, folder or piece of content means duplicating it. It means when we are copying data from one location to another, we are duplicating it. Second statement is mentioning that the original content is gone from its initial location once the move command has been completed. It means when we use moving command, the original content gone from its initial location. It means it resides only one location. For example, you are copying a folder from C drive to D drive, moving the folder from drive C to drive D. It will reside only drive D. But instead of moving, when we are copying this data from drive C to drive D, both drive contain same folder in copying concept. Moving file, folder and data is often referred to as cutting and pasting. It means moving means cut and paste the content and can be achieved with the Control X or Command X on Mac operating system. Cut, Control and V command, we paste keyboard shortcut keys like that. It means by using Control X and Control V, we can use moving command. And in copying, the associated keyboard shortcuts are Control C, that is Command plus C to copy whether it is selected, and V Control V. It means as you can see here, Control X and Control V are using in moving, and Control C and Control V is using copying command. Control X for cut the data and then Control V for pasting the data. As you can see, Control C for copy the data and Control V for pasting the data. It means in moving data and files, the data initial locations move to another location, and in copying data, the data resides on both the locations. I think it is clear. So thank you for this watching.